sien hulle gehoor as hulle bewus van die stokvel. So jy het letterlik nie te R100 nodig. You literally need just R100 to start and have two people. I get two people to upgrade to level 2 because there's 4 levels. Level 1, 2, 3, 4. What you for the first level you don't make any profits. And those two people you need to get two people and on and on and on and on and on, guys. These I also am part of the Stokvel over here. Still me, I'm obsessed with online space without telling me I'm obsessed with online space. So I just woke up and it's like 6 in the morning, and oh my word, there's this lady. She just made her 20s. I'm not sure if that was last night or this morning, but I saw it now. Like 27,000. Guys, stop sleeping on opportunities. Stop sleeping on opportunities. And I mean it's R100 to start. Comment me and let me plug you with all the details. Imagine having a 27,000 now. So this is the Stokvel thingy. Comment me